back to my YouTube channel. It's been 15 days. I didn't post a video because I'm occupied. My mom is here in Melbourne. So I'm busy showing her around and yeah, I'm having the best time right now. घर का खाना मिल रहा है and it feels so good right now. But yes, since I got a lot of requests from you all that you were confused between the top 4 professional certifications, which is ACCA, US CPA, Canada CPA, and CMA, that which one is the best, whether for working in India or abroad, which will give you the best return on investment, which course will take how much of time, what's the investment look like. So I'm going to break down all of these things, and I think by the end of this video, you'll have much clarity of what course is good for you and what you shouldn't be pursuing. So first of all, let's start with the course introduction, that what does each course means, what's their full form, and where the course is coming from. Now, the first one is the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. It is based in the UK and is a professional accounting body. It focuses on global finance, auditing, and FIRS also. Now, this course can be ideal for students who actually want to work in Asia, Africa, Middle East, or of course in Europe. The next one is US CPA, Certified Public Accountant Qualification, and this is issued by the American Institute of CPAs. Now, this course is designed for a career in tax, audit, regulatory compliance, and is quite famous and also required by the big 4 companies of the US and is respected in big 4 firms globally. Now, the next one is Canada's Certified Public Accountant Qualification. So this one is merged with 3 different qualifications: CA, CGA, and CMA. And this course particularly helps you in settling in Canada and working there. And the course is built around Canadian law, tax, financial frameworks, and all. The next one is Certified Management Accountant Qualification. And this course is awarded by institutions of management accountants. And this is a very niche qualifications if you want to get into corporate finance, cost control, and strategic decision making. Now let's talk about the global recognition, that which degree is recognized where. Now, ACCA is recognized in 180 plus countries, quite famous in Europe, Middle East, and South Asia. US CPA is of course most valuable in the United States, but many companies internationally also accepts US CPA as well. Canada CPA is a must-have if you want to work as an accountant in Canada. Many countries also accepts Canada CPA, but depends on their agreement. So you'll have to go onto their website and check if with whichever country you want to work with, they have the acceptance or the agreement with that country or not. And as I have said earlier, that CMA is for someone who wants to go into corporate finance, strategy, or costing, then this is the course for you. It is recognized in Middle East, India, and USA. And one of the important tip, if you are already sure about that in the future which country you are going to get settled in, or which is your dream country and you would like to work there or you want to settle there in the future, then based on the local demand of that country, take the course. Now let's talk about the eligibility and the entry requirements to get into these courses. So ACCA is the most flexible degree. It is very similar to CA. You can enter into the course right after your 12th. You don't need to have a graduation. You can immediately complete your 12th commerce and you can get into ACCA, start with the preparation as well. And if you already have a bachelor's degree, there are higher chances that you will get the exemptions of some of the subjects as well. Now, US CPA requires you to have a bachelor's degree, preferably in accounting, and it requires 120 to 150 credit hours. And also it depends upon what state you are coming from and what college you have been graduated from with your bachelor's degree. Now, Canada CPA also requires you to have a bachelor's degree in any relevant field, but if you don't have a bachelor's degree, then you are required to clear PREP exam to enter into the course if your bachelor's degree is not equivalent to Canadian bachelor's degree. And in order to do CMA, you are required to have a bachelor's degree. You can have it in any discipline and you can enter into the course. Now let's talk about the syllabus and the exam focus. What are the patterns? How many subjects are there and all. Starting with the ACCA first, that it has 13 papers. As I have said, that if you have completed a bachelor's degree in relevant discipline, you can get the exemptions of few subjects as well. So your 13 examinations will come down to maybe let's say 8 or 9 or 10, depending upon that how many exemptions you are getting. ACCA covers the studies of financial reporting, performance management, audit, tax, and ethics. Whereas US CPA is made up of 4 sections and it includes financial accounting and reporting, audit and attestation, regulations, and business environments and concepts. Now, Canada CPA includes 6 educational modules, a capstone project, and a common final exam. And this is considered one of the toughest exams to clear in the world. Now, the CMA has been divided into 2 parts. The first one is financial planning, performance, and analytics, and the part 2 is strategic financial management. It's very much focused on management, accounting, analysis, and systems control. Now, the duration to complete, how long does it take to complete each of these exams? So, starting with the ACCA can take up to 2 to 3 years. US CPA can take somewhere about 12 to 18 months. Depends on how seriously you are studying and if whenever the exam is happening, you are attempting to clear that exam. But if you take a gap of a year or maybe 2 years, then of course the duration will increase. Canada CPA may require 2 to 3 years since it also includes having practical experience as well. And CMA takes about 6 to 12 months. This is the fastest among all the professional courses. Now, talking about that, how much of these courses will cost you in the INR. So there will be a little bit of up and down in the terms of fee structure because the conversion rate keeps on changing. But I have taken the best price as of today. So please keep that in mind. Now for ACCA, it can cost you somewhere around 2 to 3 lakhs and it includes all the course training as well. US CPA will cost you somewhere between 3.5 to 5 lakhs, including administration fees, exam fees, application fees, and basically everything it will cover under this. Canada CPA will cost you somewhere between 4 to 6 lakhs if you are going through the international pathway course. And CMA will cost you between 1.5 to 2.5 or maximum 3 lakhs. This is the affordable one and also the shortest course that you can think of. So I would say that if you are inclining more towards US CPA, Canada CPA, or ACCA, great, but I will also recommend you to take up the CMA course as well because having another professional degree on your profile will give you a lot of benefits that you have never thought of. Now let's talk about that. If you do these courses, then what direction of work it will lead you to. ACCA holders can work in the financial consulting, audit, tax and all, and they often work in the big 4 companies or the international companies. Now if you have US CPA, you could be working in the regulatory compliance, audit or the tax area, or the US companies or with the companies who follows the US accounting system. Through Canada CPA, you could be working with the Canadian government, accounting firms and the corporate financial firms as well. Now the last one is CMA, that will lead you to working into corporate finance, budgeting, financial planning, internal finance teams or maybe cost control as well. And now comes the main part, how much could you be earning if you have completed these degrees. So let's start with ACCA, that if you have completed the ACCA full professional certificate, then your starting salary could be from 15 lakhs to 22 lakhs a year, which can go above as well. And if you have completed US CPA, your starting salary could be between 12 to 15 lakhs and you can make up to 40 lakhs a year. And in regards with the Canada CPA, the starting salary you can expect is between 7 to 15 lakhs and of course can go up to 40 lakhs a year. And remember, these are the salaries that you could be expecting in India, but if you are planning to move to that specific country and work in the same field itself, then your salary could be much more as well. Also, if you have any prior work experience from India and then you're moving to another country, then again your salary will be different from the students who have just graduated and has a professional course with no experience. Their salary will be different and you could be making a lot more money than that. And in regards to CMA, you could be making somewhere around 7 to 9 lakhs a year. That's the starting salary, but it can go up till 35 to 40 lakhs a year as well. So all the courses provide significant income with better career opportunities. So now you have to decide that which course would you like to go for. I would suggest to give importance to the subject or the area where you have more interest in and how much time you are willing to spend, plus what's your budget or your financial situation at home. Considering all of these aspects, then decide that which course do you want to go for. And I will give you a quick recommendation. So if you want the global exposure, global flexibility, and broad finance exposure, then ACCA is the one for you. And if you want to work with the US companies or the big 4 companies, then US CPA is for you. If you are looking to settle or work in Canada, then Canada CPA. And if you love corporate finance, strategy, and analytics, then CMA is for you. These were my recommendations, but if you have got any questions and if you are still confused, please ask me in the comment section below. I will answer to them and I'll try to help you as much as I can. And don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, share if it helped you, and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video. Bye.